Quick tips on putting mud flaps on. I'm gonna put this on this Model S, but first I'm going to use an alcohol prep pad and wipe this surface down where the tape goes really well. And then we're gonna use adhesion promoter very carefully in here where the tape applies. Okay, alcohol prep pad, how do you know if you've done a good job? After you wipe this down, it should be clean. If it's dirty, you gotta flip it around and keep going until it's clean. I've used a little masking tape on the vehicle just so I know exactly where the 3M tape starts and ends, because we're gonna put the adhesion promoter on this inner edge up to here. Adhesion promoter is a little sponge. I'm just gonna put a swipe of this right where the tape is gonna go. You don't wanna get this adhesion promoter out here on the car because it's gonna leave a residue. I've let the adhesion promoter dry now. I'm gonna pull off this red backing tape on the 3M. Then I'm gonna line up the flap in there and press it into place, making sure that I line up to this little hole on the mud flap where the push pin goes. Pro tip here on the mud flap install, what I've done is after installing it, I've squeezed rags in between the mud flap and the tire, and that's just gonna let the mud flap tape adhesive set for a day to take a lock on the car and keep it nice and tight.